Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to add shapes to your design in Adobe Express. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you create more visually appealing graphics, whether you're working on social media posts, presentations, or any other creative project. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your design options are available. Now click on Start New Design to begin creating. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to set specific dimensions for your project. Once you've configured your size preferences, click Create New File to start with a fresh canvas. Alternatively, if you already have an existing project you'd like to work on, simply select that instead. With your design file open, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find various tools and features to enhance your design. Click on the plus icon, which opens up additional options for adding elements to your canvas. From the menu that appears, select Elements. This section contains everything from graphics to illustrations that you can incorporate into your work. Navigate to the Shapes category. Shapes are incredibly versatile and can be used for backgrounds, dividers, or decorative elements in your design. Click on View All to see the complete collection of shapes available in Adobe Express. You'll find circles, squares, triangles, and many other geometric forms to choose from. Browse through the options and select your preferred shape by clicking on it. The shape will automatically appear on your canvas, ready for customization. This is where you can really make it your own. Click on the shape you just added to activate the editing options. The left panel will now display various customization tools specifically for that shape. One of the first things you can adjust is the border style. Click on the border style option and select your preferred style from the choices presented. This could be a solid line, dashed, or any other available pattern. Next, navigate to the border thickness option. You'll see a slider that allows you to adjust how thick or thin you want the border to appear. Drag the slider left or right until you achieve the look you're going for. This is particularly useful when you want your shape to stand out or blend more subtly with the rest of your design. You can also change the color of your shape by clicking the color picker. This tool lets you choose from a wide spectrum of colors or even input specific color codes if you're working with brand colors. Simply select the color that fits your design aesthetic, and there you have it. You've successfully added and customized shapes in Adobe Express. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.